Good morning, Saugus. I'm Jordan Franz. Today is Friday, November 14th.
And I'm Addison Scott. This is SNN.
To start off today's show, let's go to Miss Peterson Henry and Saugus ASL signer Trevor Von Bush with this week's principal's message.
Good morning, students and staff. Today marks the end of our 5-week grading period. Great work to everyone for staying focused and giving your best in class. With only 4 weeks until finals, it's important to stay committed, finish strong, and make every day count. I also want to address some important matters about our campus. Trash has become a problem, and our bathrooms continue to be vandalized. Please do your part and keep our campus clean and safe. Take pride in your school. Pick up trash, respect the facilities, and help create a positive environment for everyone. As we enter the season of Thanksgiving, I want to express my gratitude to all of our students and staff. We've been through a lot together, and it's during challenging times that we realize how much the people around us truly matter. This can be a difficult time of year for some of us. Please know that my door is always open. I'm choosing to focus on the positive things happening around our campus. I hope you will join me. Be thankful for your friends, classmates, teachers, and staff, and think about ways that you can give back. Remember our motto, serve, honor, succeed. Serve, help others, support your classmates, and contribute positively to our school community. Honor, show respect for yourself, others, and our campus. This includes keeping it clean and taking care of our school. Give your best to succeed. Give your best effort in everything you do, both academically and personally, and finish this grading period strong. Let's continue to take care of each other, our school, and ourselves. Thank you for all that you do every day to make this community strong.
Thanks, Mrs. Peterson and Trevor. For today's fact of the day, we thought we'd tell you about National Pickle Day.
Pickles have been around for over 4,000 years, dating all the way back to ancient Mesopotamia, where people first preserved cucumbers in brine to make them last longer.
They come in all shapes and flavors. Dill, sweet, spicy, bread and butter, and each one has its own fan base. Those who love pickles might seem a little wild in their devotion, but their enthusiasm is part of what makes this food so iconic.
So, whether you enjoy pickles on sandwiches, straight out of the jar, or not at all, today is a great and fun chance to enjoy a silly food with a surprisingly long history. In the end, celebrate the crunch, enjoy the tang, and remember, life's challenges are easier to handle when you learn to relish the moment. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
Make sure to be considerate of Saugus's neighbors and community on your way and from school. Do not walk through people's yards, touch people's property, or move trash cans to park.
FBLA is hosting Toys for Tots until December 10th. Every unwrapped toy donated amounts to 1 service hour. You can drop off toys in room C301.
The PAD Project Drive will be accepting donations of menstrual products until November 21st. Each is worth 1 service hour. Item drop-off is in the library during school hours.
Saugus Theaters at Emma Official, a social media retelling of Jane Austen's Emma, runs until this Saturday at 7 p.m. in the Performing Arts Center. Tickets are $10 for students and $12 for general admission on GoFan.
Now, let's go to Chase Dell with today's Saugus Sports Update.
Thanks, Jordan. Good morning. I'm Chase Dell with today's Saugus Sports Update. Tonight, our football team will play in CIF semifinals against Calabasas at COC. The game starts at 7. Tickets are $6 at the gate and $7 online. The theme is Christmas. Today, varsity cross country plays in the CIF prelims at Mount Sac. Good luck to our Centurion athletes. Boys tennis tryouts will be next Thursday, November 20th at 3 o'clock on the Saugus tennis courts. Remember to bring tennis racket, athletic shoes, and water. The first ever intramural football turkey bowl tournament will be continued today on the football field at lunch. Teams will consist of 4 players, and there will be a division for both boys and girls. Sign-up sheets are in the ASB office. Incredible prizes will be awarded to the winning teams. If you have not officially signed up, show up to the field with your team and you will be entered in the tournament. Good luck. That's all from me. To inspire you to contribute to your Thanksgiving meal, let's go to Preston Trevino with another edition of our series Cooking with Crock Pots.
Good morning, Saugus. My name is Franz and this is Cooking with SNN. We are making butter Mississippi chicken spaghetti.
For this recipe, you will need 2 pounds of boneless and skinless chicken breasts, 1 au jus mix packet, pepperoncini peppers, organic spaghetti, Monterey Jack cheese, 1 stick of butter, a few green onions, and 3 tomatoes. Make sure you wash your hands before you do anything. Sprinkle au jus mix over the chicken breasts. Make sure to add some chili powder for taste. Then, add your pepperoncini brine. Slice up your tomatoes to bite-sized pieces. Do the same with the pepperoncini peppers. Add the contents to the Dutch oven. Slice up your butter to 1 tablespoon slices. Add it to the Dutch oven. Slice up some green onions and put them in the bowl to save them for later. Put the Dutch oven on the stove and put it on low heat for 6 hours or on high heat for 3 hours. Take a pot and fill it with water until it is halfway or a quarter full. Add some salt to the pot and mix it until all that is dissolved. Then take your spaghetti and put it in the pot. Put it on medium heat for about 30 minutes. Once it is done, turn off the stove. Use a strainer to remove water from the spaghetti. Once that is done, put it next to the cutting board and save it for later, and flip your chicken with tongs while it is cooking. Once the chicken has been completely cooked, take it off the stove, add the green onions we saved, Pour the spaghetti into the Dutch oven. Make sure to mix it up so all that spaghetti gets all that nice juice in there.
This is Professor Reno reporting for Cooking with SNN. Let us go back to our anchors.
Thanks, Preston. That looks delicious. I could definitely make that this year.
Reach will be hosting college guest speakers through the end of the semester. All the presentations will take place in room Q1715 during first and second period. Any junior or senior interested in attending can obtain a permission slip from Ms. Hilstein in room Q1715. The next guest speaker will be next Monday, November 17th from Chico State.
The Martin Luther King Jr. Unity Walk Essay Contest will be accepting submissions through December 1st. To enter, you must write a 1,000-word essay on how nonviolent actions can heal a divided nation. For more information on how to submit, scan the QR code above.
FBLA will be selling Thankfulgrams from next Monday, November 17th to the 20th. If you're interested in purchasing one, you can get a Thankfulgram for $2 in the quad at lunch. Thankfulgrams will be distributed that Friday, the 21st.
Tomorrow, Saturday, November 15th, is a Student Support Day from 8 to noon for anyone to get extra assistance from teachers. To attend, scan in at the front gate and stay in any of the classrooms listed above. Snacks and water will be provided. That's all for today. I'm Jordan Franz. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Addison Scott. Have a great day, a great weekend, and SNN will be back next Tuesday.
What was that?